Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So we are looking at sketching graphs of exponential equations. So I've got y equals 3 to the power of negative x. So to start off, the first thing that when we're doing is graphing exponential equations is we need to have a table. We've got x value and we've got y value. So I'm going to start with -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So first thing we need to do is think about what is our values. So when x is -3, negative will be a positive. So it'll be 3 to the power of 3, which is 3 to the power of 3 is 27. When I've got to the power of 2, of -2, negative equals a positive, so that is 3 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 2 is 3 times itself. 3 to the power of 3 is 9. Then I've got -1. 3 to the power of negative equals a positive, so 3 to the power of 1 is just 3. Now, 3 to the power of 0, if we know our 0 rules, is just 1. Then we go over here and we got 1. 3 to the power of 1, but it's -1 because of that negative there. So 3 to the power of -1 is 0.33. 0.3 reoccurring. Let's put 2 in. 3 to the power of -2. So 3 to the power of -2 is 0.1 reoccurring. And last one we'll do is 3. So 3 to the power of -3, because we've got a negative next to the x, is 0.03. So 0.037, and that is reoccurring. So now we've got all of our points. So now we can draw our graph. I'm just going to, I know with my y's I've got from 27 all the way close to 0, but it's never going to reach 0. So I'm just going to go up by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30, done. Now with my x values, I'm just going to go -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, and 3. So I've got all my points. Next thing, I'm just going to go through and put dots where my points are. So when x is -3, y is 27. When x is -2, y is 9. When x is -1, y is 3. When x is 0, y is 1. When x is 1, y is 0.3, and it just keeps scraping along the edge. So we have finally come up with our graph, and it looks like this. Scraping along the edge, but it will never touch 0. So that means we can say that y is always going to be greater than 0. Okay, and that is how we graph a exponential. We can just select points and then substitute them onto the graph. Really hope that helps you understand how to sketch a graph of exponentials.